up, Mid-Engine Squad? It's your boy Fiero Boy. This is coming back with a brand new video for y'all. So in today's video, we basically just gonna be hopping back into Complete Restoration Part 4, which is gonna end up being the OEM wheels for Pontiac Fiero. If you're not following me on YouTube, Snapchat, or TikTok, please do so at Fiero_86. Also, please follow me on my brand new Instagram page at 214 Fiero Guy. And if you have not already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. Cause why? I'm the only guy that's gonna bring you Pontiac Fiero footage and Chevrolet Corvair footage. Also, please triple smash that like button for your boy, man. Cause you already know, man, I'm gonna keep on dropping this Corvair and this Fiero heat on y'all, most definitely, man. So, all right, so these wheels for the Pontiac Fiero is going to stretch from 1984 through 1988. All right, so as you can tell by the title of the thumbnail, I have 3 wheels on there. So with those 3 wheels, you have the notchback version, you have the Indy Pace Car notchback version, and then you also have the GT Fastback version. So the notchback version, we're gonna actually talk about that one right there real quick. All right, y'all, so in the notchback version, that right there stretches from 1984 to 1988. Now, I know a lot of folks, they like to change their wheels, which, hey, that's what you're supposed to do in your car. But as me being a purist for my Pontiac Fiero, or a purist of just Fieros in general, I always like to try to keep my car as stock as possible. So when I say stock, what I mean is keeping the same wheel on the same car. So if I would have went to a GT Fastback version, I would have kept the same exact wheels, but only I would have probably ended up doing a different color for the GT Fastback wheel versus just doing the original color. So, like, if anybody remember my red 85 Pontiac Fiero, I actually had stock wheels at first. And so now, of me going forward, I actually decided to put the GT Fastback wheels on there black, because I already knew that it was going to stand out. And so that right there is kind of like what I meant when I say kind of keep the same wheels with the same general. And so the next wheels is going to be in the Indy Pace Car wheels. Now, the Indy Pace Car wheels, those right there debuted in 1984. Now, of me knowing Pontiac Fieros, I think they have about 2 or 3 versions of those wheels. So they have the notchback wheel, they have like a special like wheel, and then they have another special wheel for the for this particular car. And so those wheels, depending on what I'm doing to my notchback, I would love to have some white wheels on my notchback. I really would. You know, the reason why I say that is because, you know, it would look good if I had a Pacific color and then you just wanted some white rims with it. That right there would go nice, real nice. Like if I would have went somewhat of like a lighter color, I probably would want to have some white wheels on my car, depending on what color it is. Now, I don't know about nobody else, but I do like white wheels depending on what is going on with the car. All right, y'all, and final wheel to talk about is the GT Fastback. Now, I know a lot of folks actually get this wheel confused, because I know this wheel is exactly the same way as the Grand Prix wheels are, and also the Bonneville wheels. But altogether, Pontiac Fiero actually had their own wheel And if you actually look at the symmetry, it almost looks the same as both of those wheels, but it's different. And so these wheels actually debuted in 1986. And so it went all the way to 1988. And so this wheel is actually made for the 88. But we use them on any Pontiac Fiero. So not just the notchback and not just the GT Fastback. Any Pontiac Fiero can use this wheel. And so you can actually find these wheels on any website. So you can find these wheels on CarRed, which I'm going to leave all of these down in the description. You can find these wheels on CarRed. You can find these wheels on Facebook Marketplace. You can find these wheels at the Thefierofactory. You can find these wheels on eBay. You can find these wheels really anywhere. You know, it ain't no hard way of being able to find none of these wheels. You know, if you go on Facebook, you probably be able to find some Any Pace wheels. If you can't find none there, then you can easily find some on eBay. And if you can't find them on eBay, you can definitely find some up at the Thefierofactory. All right, y'all. Please let me know what you think about this video down in the comment section. I have an announcement. A new intro is coming. And so I am super happy, y'all, to tell y'all that, because I just want y'all to know that, hey, it's about to go down and it's about to be a new intro coming. Most definitely. Well, it's your boy Fiero Boy 86, and I'm out.